Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to use Powtoon. You can create animated videos or animated slides. So the home page brings you to these different templates that you can use. So you can click on student projects and it has different ones that you can customize to your goals. For this one, we're just going to do create. It shows you different orientations you can use based on what you're using it for, but we're just going to do horizontal. We're going to be making a short animated slide about facts of eukaryote cells. But before it pops up, it asks you what kind of animations you want to use on your slides. So we're just going to do cartoon. So I'm going to need a fun background color. So I'm going to go to background, pick color. I'm going to do yellow. Now we need some text. So we're going to go to text, scroll down to design titles. And we are just going to do this one, the simple title. I'm going to drag it over. Oh, okay. Well, we're going to individually drag each of them over. I don't need this one, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to double click here, do eukaryotes. Then I'm going to exit out of titles. I'm going to go to text. Scroll down and click this one. I'm going to drag it over just a little bit. You have to click out. I'm going to click back on it and drag this out because my words are going to be a lot longer than that box. So I'm going to say they have membrane bound organelles. On this next one, I'm going to say they have nucleus. I'm going to click here. I'm going to drag it out as well. Say the DNA stored in chromosomes. This, I'm going to give an example and say that plants do not, plants have a cell wall got ahead of myself. I'm going to say that animals do not have a cell wall. And I did not drag that out enough, so I'm going to drag it out so that they're all the same. So now I'm going to add, I'm going to shorten this slide a little bit first. So I'm going to hit this little minus button and shorten it to about, we'll do 9 seconds. Oh, we'll do 8. Okay, so then we're going to come here and we're going to click on blank slide. I'm going to change the background color because it makes it more fun when everything is colorful. I'm going to go to images. Going to my images. I've already uploaded these before, so they're already here. You just click add image, upload, and search your computer. I'm going to click on the plant cell. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and easier to see. Now I am going to make this slide shorter, about 5 seconds. And we're going to check it to make sure that our picture is on there, and it is. So that's good. We're going to come and we're going to add the other picture. So we're still at images. So we're going to click on the animal cell. I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to change the background color to pink. I am also going to shorten this slide. Now we're going to make sure that our picture stayed. I'm sorry. I'm going to drag it out to where our picture stays on there longer. So let's check. Perfect. Then you can preview what your slides will look like. So it had all our information on there, and then it will switch and show our plant cell. And then it will show our animal cell. Then we can click back to edit. You can also add in little transitions between the slides. Fade is always fun. And then you can name it and save, and it will be saved in your toolbox on this side.